I said really it's a compliment. We did it. You keep on.
Hello, welcome to PRITAM'S Learning Academy. Today we are going to solve the chapter Rational Numbers, exercise 4A, class 7 of Agarwal. So let's start. What is the first questions? First question tells what are rational numbers. So definition চেয়েছে rational numbers. Rational number. What are rational number? The numbers which we can express in the form P by Q, where Q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Are called rational numbers. Are called rational numbers. The numbers which we can express in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. এটা গেল ফার্স্ট পার্ট আমাদের, এটা ফার্স্ট পার্ট গেল। এবার সেকেন্ড পার্ট বলেছে, কি বলেছে যে গিভ এক্সাম্পলস অফ 5 positive and 5 negative rational numbers. Give examples of 5 positive and 5 negative rational numbers. তাহলে positive rational numbers 5 positive rational numbers. 5 positive rational numbers are, give example, 2 by 3, 5 by 4, 9 by 7, 8 by 2, 1 by 2. Done. And give examples of, second question bolche give examples of 5 negative rational numbers. Therefore 5, this is only negative. 5 negative rational numbers are কিছুই না, এদের আগে জাস্ট মাইনাস বসিয়ে দাও। -2 by 3, -5 by 4, 9 by -7, -8 by 2, -half. Simple. তারপরে বলেছে
It's windy. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to go.
Next question. Our next question says that no, এখনো শেষ হয়নি. Is there any rational number which is neither positive or negative? Question বলছে is there any rational number which is neither positive nor negative? আমরা কি জানি এরকম কোনো রেশনাল নাম্বার যেটা পজিটিভও না নেগেটিভও না? Yes, there is a rational number 0 which is neither positive nor negative. There is a rational number 0 which is neither positive nor negative. So here is the problem. বলছে which of them are not rational numbers? মানে এদের মধ্যে which of the following are rational numbers? তাহলে এদের মধ্যে কে কে rational number? 5 by 8. We can express this as P by Q, where P not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. Similarly here, Q not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. This is a rational number. This is a rational number. 6. We can express 6 as 6 by 1. Therefore, this is a rational number. Similarly, -3 by 1. This is a rational number. 0, 0 by 1. This is a rational number. 0 by 1 obviously rational number. 1 by 0. In the definition of rational number, আমরা বলেছিলাম যে কিউটা অবভিয়াসলি নট ইকুয়াল টু 0 হতে হবে, কিন্তু এখানে দেখো আমাদের কিউটা 0 চলে এসছে। এই জায়গাটায় এইটাই দেখো আমাদের কিউটা 0 চলে এসছে, তাহলে এটা আমাদের রেশনাল নাম্বার হবে না। সিমিলারলি 0 বাই 0 তো হবেই না। So our next problem is write down the numerator and the denominator of the following rational numbers. So numerator and the denominator of the following rational numbers. So আমরা rational number definition কি জেনেছিলাম? p by q, এই pটা হচ্ছে নিউমারেটর and qটা হচ্ছে ডিনোমিনেটর। p is the numerator and q হচ্ছে denominator. Therefore 8 is numerator, 19 is denominator, 5 is numerator, 8 is denominator, 13 is numerator, 15 is denominator, 18 is numerator, 11 is denominator. 9, we can express it as 9 by 1. Therefore 9 is the numerator, 1 is the denominator. Simple. So our next problem is write each of the following integers as rational numbers and also write the numerator and the denominator of each case. Following integers as rational numbers. Therefore 5, we can express 5 as a rational number is 5 by 1, 3 minus 3 by 1, 1 1 by 1, 0 0 by 1, minus 23 by 1. Here is 5 is numerator, 1 is denominator, minus 3 numerator, 1 is denominator, 23 numerator, 1 is denominator, 1 is numerator, 1 is denominator, 0 is numerator, 1 is denominator. This is our answer. I hope you all understand that. So our next problem is which of the following are positive rational numbers? Here is one positive, one negative. There it is a negative rational number. There is a negative rational number. Negative. One positive, one negative. It is also negative. Two negatives. Minus cancel out. 5 by 8. Then it is a positive rational numbers. This is obviously a positive rational number. And this is also a positive rational number. So our next problem is which of the following are negative rational numbers? Minus 15, minus 4, minus cancel out. So this is a positive rational number. This is a 0 by 1. This is the positive rational number. Minus 5 by 7. This is a negative rational number. Minus 4 by minus 9. This is a negative rational number. And minus 6 represented 6 by 1. Therefore this is a negative rational number. আমাদের নেক্সট প্রবলেম কি বলছে রাইট 4 রেশনাল নাম্বারস ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট টু ইচ অফ দ্য ফলোইং 6 বাই 11 তো মাল্টিপ্লাই বোথ বাই 2 12 বাই 22 আর একটা লিখতে পারি 18 বাই 33 ইকুয়াল টু 24 বাই 44 ইকুয়াল টু 30 by 55. These are equivalent rational numbers. Minus 3 by 8, minus 6 by 16, minus 9 by 24, minus 12 by 32, minus 15 by 40, 7 by 15, that means 14 by minus 30, 21 by 45 minus 45 is equal to 21, 28 by minus 60 is equal to 35 by minus 75. 8, we can express it as 8 by 1, that means 16 by 2, that means 24 by 3, that means 32 by 4, that means 40 by 5. 1, express it as 1 by 1, that means 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, minus 1, minus 2 by 2, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 4, minus 5 by 5. This is our answer. Our next problem is write each of the following as a rational number with positive denominator. With positive denominator. Here you see that denominator is negative. Denominator is negative. So we can multiply this denominator by -1. 12 by -17 multiply by -1. So আমাদের উপরেও -1 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে, তাহলে উপরে চলে আসবে -12, নিচে চলে আসবে 17. দিস ইজ আওয়ার অ্যান্সার। -8 বাই -19 জাস্ট এই দুটো কেটে যাবে, তাহলেই আমার 8 বাই 19 অ্যান্সার চলে আসবে। 1 বাই -2 সিমিলারলি -1 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করব। 1 ইন্টু -1, 1 ইন্টু -1, -2 into -1, that means -1 by 2, positive denominator. 11 into -1, -6 into -1, that means -11 by 6. This is our answer. তাহলে আমাদের নেক্সট প্রবলেম কি? Express 5 by 8 as a rational number with numerator 15 and -10. So let's start. 5 by 8, we have to bring 15. Numerator মানে এখানে 15 আসবে, তাহলে 5 by 8, 5 15, তাহলে 3 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে, নিচেও 8কে 3 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করব, 24. দিস ইজ আওয়ার অ্যান্সার। এটা আমার নাম্বার 1। নাম্বার 2 কী হবে? 5 by 8 equal to নিউমারেটরে -10 আনতে হবে, therefore 5 multiplied by -2, therefore also 8 multiplied by -2, therefore -16. This is our answer. Our next problem is express 4 by 7 as the rational number with denominator 21 and -35. Let's do denominator 21, that means niche 21. 7 multiplied by 3 21 হয়, therefore 4 multiplied by 3 12 হবে। Number 2, 4 by 7 denominator আমাদের আনতে বলেছে -35, that means 7 into -5, 4 into -5 -20. This is our answer. So our next problem is express -12 by 13 as a rational number with numerator -48 and 60. So let's start. -12 by 13, that means -48 করতে হবে, -12 already here, so just multiply with 4, 13 here multiplied with 4, that means 52. This is problem number 1. Problem number 2, 60. -12 by 13, we have to bring 60. That means -12 positive 60. Therefore, we have to multiply by -5, cause minus minus a plus. 13 into -5. That means -65. This is our answer. Our next problem is express -8 by 11 as a rational number with denominator 22 and -55. Denominator 22, that means -8 by 11, that's equal to 22 denominator. 11 into 2 and -8 into 2, that means -16 by 22. Problem number 2, denominator -55, -8 by 11, denominator এ আনতে হবে আমাকে -55, তাহলে 11 into obviously -5 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে, therefore -8 into -5, that means 40 by 55. This is our answer. 13 and 14 are similar problems. Our next problem is express -36 by 24 as a rational number with numerator 9 and with numerator -9 and 6, with numerator -9 and 6. That means let's start. minus 36 by 24, that is equal to নিউমারেটর আমাকে কত আনতে হবে, -9 আনতে হবে, তাই তো? তাহলে -36কে কত দিয়ে ডিভাইড করলে 9 আসবে? অ্যান্সারটা হবে 4। সিমিলারলি 24কেও আমাদের 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে হবে, তাহলে অ্যান্সার আসবে 6। প্রবলেম নাম্বার 1। প্রবলেম নাম্বার 2, -36 by 24, আমাদের নিউমারেটরটা আনতে হবে 6। -36কে আমরা ডিভাইড করব -6 দিয়ে, তবেই তো দুটো মাইনাস কেটে একটা পজিটিভ 6 আসবে। সিমিলারলি 24 ডিভাইডেড বাই -6, তো এটা চলে আসবে আমাদের -4। দিস ইজ আওয়ার অ্যান্সার।
Chapter down like a house, it all be all out.
16 is similar problem. 16 is similar problem. Do yourself. So our next problem is, take them to the standard form. Divisible by 7, 5s are divisible by 7, 7s are. That means 5 by 7. This is the answer. 14 by 49, minus minus cancel out. 14 divisible by 7, that means 2. 49 divisible by 7, that means 2 by 7. 299 divisible by 7. This is divisible by 23. 23 7s are 161, 23 13s are 299. That means minus 9. 13 by -7. Other problems are similar. Do yourselves. So our next problems are find x. To find x, we have to cross multiply this. -1 multiplied by x is equal to 8 multiplied by 5. Minus x is equal to 40. That means x equal to -40. মাইনাসটা গিয়ে এখানে বসে যায়, পরিষ্কার, মাইনাসটা এখান থেকে গিয়ে এখানে বসে যাবে। নেক্সট, সিমিলার ক্রস মাল্টিপ্লাই, -3 into x equal to 7 into 6. That means x equal to 7 into 6 by -3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. That means 7 twos are 14 by -1. That means -14. This is our answer. Now problem number 5 or problem number 4. Problem number 5. Problem number 5 says that 16 by x is equals to -4. We have to calculate this. Let us consider here is a 1. Here is a 1 under 4. That means similarly cross multiply, -4 multiplied by x equal to 16 into 1. That means x is equal to 16 into 1 by -4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 by -1, that means -4. This is our answer. Others problems are similar. Other problems similar. Do yourself.